Puppet Festival is a wonderful opportunity for people like me from other countries to begin to understand some of the arts of India.
दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल आर्ट फेस्टिवल में बहुत ही अच्छा हमें लगा।
16 प्रांतों की कठपुतलियाँ तो ऐसी ही हैं, देश विदेश से भी इस फेस्टिवल में जो है कठपुतलियाँ का प्रदर्शन होंगे।
खुशी की बात है कि यहाँ भारत में हो रहा है, हमारे मुल्क में हो रहा है, देश में हो रहा है, ताकि हम खुद भी हिस्सा ले सकें उसमें।
Well, Delhi International Literature Festival is one of the first festivals of this kind to be held in Delhi. We are bringing together about 50 writers from many countries.
There's just such an amazing variety of cultural opportunities here.
I definitely think that it's on the level of other international festivals.
Genuinely, to be able to put together something of that magnitude requires commitment, energy, focus.
Friendships are made, that's where writers get to know one another and they get to know more about the writing in other languages.
It's been fantastic, there have been about 50 writers who've come representing 30 languages, and there's been a fabulous interaction between different peoples.
This is fantastic, I think particularly because it is so international, so diverse.
I can see from the number of people, foreigners that were here at this concert, it's obviously doing a great job.
I think the festival is absolutely gorgeous. It was lovely tonight.
I thought the show was wonderful. Just the setting was amazing.
It's the message of peace that we wanted to send out to the people.
I was very happy that I was chief guest when Goa performed. Here you can really see what is Goa.
अगर ये फेस्टिवल नृत्य का है, संगीत का है, चित्रकला का है और हमारी बहुत सारी कलाओं का समुच्चय है, गुलदस्ता है, तो क्यों ना अच्छा लगेगा सबको। मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि मेला भी बहुत अच्छा संपन्न हो।
मुझे लगता है ये बड़ा अच्छा फेस्टिवल है। इसमें ख़ास चीज़ ये है कि हर तरफ कई चीज़ें हो रही हैं और उससे क्या होता है, एक माहौल बन जाता है, एक शहर सज जाता है।
मेरा है न तेरा है, ये हिंदुस्तान सबका है, नहीं समझी गई ये बात तो नुकसान सबका है। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये तहजीब सदा बनी रहे और आप लोग इसमें मदद करते रहें।
स्वर्ग से बढ़ी के हमारे एक गीत से और हमारे बोल से मीठा अपने से अच्छा कुछ नहीं लगता, अपने देश से अच्छा कुछ नहीं लगता।
देश प्रेम सब में होना चाहिए, मजहब चाहे कोई भी।
You are doing a wonderful job of doing national integration, and it is just fantastically fabulous today, all the events and programs.
I really enjoyed it, and it was a great opportunity, especially for my people.
मेरी और लखनऊ के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि हमको इस इंटरनेशनल ड्रामा फेस्टिवल में इनवाइट किया गया।
I think it's an important festival because it serves as a reminder to the youth of the city of the diversity that is present in India, which is incredible, of course.
Like the crowd was really good, and
I think it was really nice.
What is really being done in these 21 days is very, very commendable, and I'm sure the people must be really enjoying themselves.
The festival is one of those occasions that I've started looking forward to.
It's nice to see this happening because especially I as a youth, I think there are very few such experiences that we get.
This is a part of our country's cultural heritage.
It's a very, very good effort, and particularly for the masses to make them aware, doing things in all corners, nook and corners. That's really what a festival concept is supposed to be.
Never it has happened previously that 300 venues have been chosen, and there are so many programs happening every day.
I think this is simply great, and 300 shows and 3,500 performers. This is possibly the biggest festival, at least in India, I have ever seen.
This is the Class 1 festival ever held in India.
I think it's very interesting.
It's so multifaceted, and it will unfold in a wonderful way, I'm sure.
It reminds me of the Edinburgh International Festival.
A festival is better than Edinburgh.
आज के डेट में एडिनबर्ग फेस्टिवल सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल है, वर्ल्ड का आर्ट का कुंभ कहा जाता है। मुझे लगता है दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल फेस्टिवल एक ऐसा आर्ट कुंभ जैसा हो जाएगा।
I'm sure this festival has a great future.
Here, single-handedly, Pratibha Prahlad is doing this festival in nooks and corners of Delhi. Hats off to her.
I think it's really a great festival with a lot of diversity and variety.
I think it was a very, very beautifully done show.
It was very well organized. It's a great idea.
Well, I'm sure it's a terrific festival.
I think these festivals are very important.
Delhi has everything to promote art and literature.
DIAF is a very prestigious festival.
I'm happy to note that it is growing from strength to strength.
It's a wonderful festival.
I think this is one of the most amazing festivals which has been organized in India.
मुझे यकीन है कि दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल आर्ट्स फेस्टिवल भी दुनिया में अपनी बहुत उम्दा जगह बनाएगा.
So many institutions on the same platform.
This festival is a beautiful idea.
Well, Delhi International Arts Festival is obviously doing a fantastic job in creating a platform.
I think this is a brilliant idea.
I think this is one of the most outstanding initiatives anybody has taken in Delhi. I'm completely awe-inspired by the creativity shown by Pratibha and Arshia Sethi, because something like this has never happened before in Delhi or anywhere in India.
This has evolved into a major national institution, and today the Delhi International Arts Festival is on the World Festival map.
The Delhi International Arts Festival is a reconfirmation of an age-old Indian tradition.
This festival is a confirmation of India's strength.
I'm grateful that I got this chance to be a part of this Delhi Art Festival. To see it together and happening in India like this, it's an opportunity which I think nobody should miss.
I find the same quality here that I would expect if I were at an arts festival in Paris, London, or New York.
This is a fantastic event, and I really appreciate Delhi for putting it on and the sponsors. Thank you very much for doing this.
Oh, I love it. Yeah.